أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is the second business for the day. Here we have another woman who has been the backbone of the family. The husband could not support, the husband could not do anything. It wasn't intentional, but the situation of the country does not empower many of our men of today. So here you have a woman who has been suffering, working so hard because of our children. And she had 2 children, which inshallah we are going to be supporting today. But we have one of them. We are waiting for the daughter to also come. This one, this is our brother. What is your name? Sarafadi. So he had already learned tailoring apprenticeship, and the only thing delaying this young man is the material, the equipment for him to start working. So here you are today. Alhamdulillah, we've been able to. Alhamdulillah. Here we are today. Alhamdulillah, God, Allah has blessed this family, this our brother, through one of our sisters from the United States of America. We want to sincerely thank her. We've been able to get the best of this material. Which he is going to be using for his work, inshallah, after his freedom. We thank Almighty Allah. She wasn't expect from her family. So so alhamdulillah, we thank Almighty Allah. So this is the only laying factor to his progress in life. And now you have provided, you've given him a way. By the special grace of Almighty Allah, you will never lack for the rest of your life, inshallah. May Allah continue to bless you and bless you what you do. Amen, ya Allah. So I'm offering 10,000 naira. Lórúkọ Worldwide Prayer Family. So láti tún fi support one or two things the bá ń ṣe. So mo rí pé oúnjẹ lẹ́yìn náà ń tà, oúnjẹ lẹ́ ń tà, because so ìwọ̀nba tẹ́ǹtà tá a bá fún yín ní ìwọ̀nba 10,000 náà, á ra nǹkan, yóò ra ẹran, yóò ra one or two things. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ bá wa ṣàánú ọmọ yín, ìwọ náà ṣoríire. Lágbára Ọlọ́run gbogbo nǹkan tó bá fi eléyìí ṣe yóò wá fi bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. So inú mi dùn, number one, this is one thing we need to encourage our youth of today. Here you have someone, a grown-up young man. He didn't venture into yahoo. He didn't venture into criminality. He was so focused. He learned how to do this thing. He was an expert. And he has become an expert. So, but alhamdulillah, today, okay. So now, inshallah, bi'rahmatullah, as we are giving you this today, this shall burn thousands of this, inshallah, into your life. By the special grace of Almighty Allah, you shall be known all over the world. Inshallah. Why they show you it? Why they show you nowhere? To batch one channel. Oh, need bash oh, need batch town. Oh, the name you so you cannot. Inshallah. So come what you to that, make sure we lay. Oh, bash up with you. Ododo ni o. Ododo ló máa ń gbìyàn lékè o. Má parọ́ fún customer. Má ṣe nǹkan tí ò bá dáa. Má torí pé òkè ìwọ náà ti wá ó bá dókè tán. Sọ pé màmá ẹ̀ wá bá mi. Wọ́n wá sọ oríṣiríṣi nǹkan fún mi. Wàá tọ́jú ẹ̀, wàá dẹ̀ tọ́jú bàbá ẹ̀. Right? So kó o tọ́jú ẹ̀, kó o tọ́jú wọn. Kó o dẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa pẹ̀lú wọn. So ọlọ́run wá wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. So take care. Okay. Màá transfer 10,000 yẹn sí yín. So inshallah. So bóyá ẹ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó fún wa.
Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó fún mi ní kíní ìfọ̀mọ́ àmì. Torí pé ní ìmọ̀ràn ọdún mẹ́wàá lónìí, mi ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí kò máa rà kan fọmọ mi. èmi ni mo mọ tí ń jó mi lábẹ́ aṣọ o.
Alhamdulillah.
ṣùgbọ́n mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ẹni tó ṣe lè fún ọmọ mi gbogbo tó fojú rò tó fi ń ṣe báyìí kò ní dé ìbànújẹ́ mọ́ lọ́wọ́ ogun àkóbá àdàbá tí òfin ní rí kíní ìṣemọ́ Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ó dé bá lágbára Ọlọ́run wọlé kún fáyà kún yóò wọlé àṣàjà yóò wọlé násìrò láti fàátì gbogbo iléeṣẹ́ ẹni náà kò ní jóná o gbogbo bí tí àwọn èso rẹ̀ náà bá dé wò ní pàdé ìbànújẹ́ lọ́nà lágbára ẹ̀yin náà tó sì máa ń fi kíní ìran ogun àkóbá kò ní dé bá yín ìdààmú ò ní dé bá ìyàwó yín kò ní dé bá àwọn ọmọ yín kò ní dé bódóbi yín lágbára ogun ẹ̀ ní ìmọ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ mọ́ Ọlọ́run yóò fi bá yín o lágbára mo dúpẹ́ gidigidi lọ́wọ́ yín torí tí má ní kí n máa dúpẹ́ nǹkan mi yóò fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ torí mo mọ̀ torí mo jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yẹn gan mo jìyà lórí wọn tó ń gbà jáde rẹ̀ mẹ́wàá kò sí nǹkan kan torí rẹ̀ mo tó lọ fi síbi iṣẹ́ ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o.
She's really, she was so happy, so emotional. We thank Almighty Allah for this, and I want to say again that we use this opportunity to call on well-meaning individuals to please support this cause. We want to do more. We have a lot of them. We can help you to source for them. We have a lot of families that are struggling like this, and we will do it jealously and sincerely. We've been doing it for a very long time. Wallahi al-azim. And in fact, we spent more than what was given to us. Allah is my witness. We spent more than what was given to us. Allah is my witness. And with my wife, we went to the market together. The second thing which we are going to give, I'm waiting for that for the daughter. Ọmọ yín obìnrin àti ra irinṣẹ́ fún, but a máa need kóun náà wá síbí báyìí. Tó bá ti wá, a máa gbélé lọ́wọ́, because afẹ́kẹ́ni yẹn mọ̀ pé we want the person to know that we really deliver to the right person, not that because yeah, go and give this one to another person. So kó wá bá wa lọ́la. So tó bá dọ̀la kóun náà wá gba irinṣẹ́ títí ẹ̀. So ẹ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ the best dryer tó wà lọ́jà lẹ́ni òun láti ra fún. A dẹ̀ ti ra kíní washing machine tí wọ́n máa fi máa gbórílé lórí. So a ti ra everything. So káṣá dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run ló ṣe kì í ṣàwà. So mo sọ fún yín ṣẹ́rí tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn ò help èmi náà láti ṣe pé kí wọ́n sọ pé kí n lọ ṣerú nǹkan báyìí. Me, I'm a very poor man, so I don't have money. So some people might be thinking I have money. I don't have money. So the people that sent me, I just want them to see the sincerity in me that I'm going to deliver. So let me even seize this opportunity. If you want to help me, come and help me. Me too, I don't have money. So come and help me for the sake of Almighty Allah. I don't have money. Because someone even asked me one day that, you that you are giving all these things, who is giving you money? I said, Wallahi, I'm just fulfilled with the little that Allah has been giving me. I can't even say it is little any longer. Because if Allah has designed you in this way, asking you to be a solution to another person's sadness, then you've been honored in the most way. So, èmi náà ń bèrè o, ẹni tó bá fẹ́ help èmi náà. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. So, a máa retí ìkejì lọ́la.